Hey guys, it's Nikita here and I'm back with a new video. So this is going to be another celebrity inspired tutorial, and this is inspired by Jacqueline Fernandez because a couple weeks ago there was a song called Ghenda Phool that came out, which was by Badshah and other singers like Pohela and it had the beautiful Jacqueline Fernandez, and I'm such a big fan of her. She's so beautiful, she's so poised, and I really want to recreate her look because I think it's just so beautiful. It's like simple, but it looks so glamour. So I want to recreate it, and the song now has 200 million views. Let me tell you, that is big because, you know, usually songs take a couple, weeks or even months to reach that point. But why I love this song is because it has Bengali lyrics and Bengali folklore beats in it, and I'm Bengali, so I gotta represent. So yeah, I just wanted to kind of do that look, kind of dress up like traditional Bengali New Year attire, because our New Year was a couple weeks ago, so happy Shubha Novorsho to everybody. I hope I said that right. But yeah, so let's get on with the video. So her look is kind of it's not kind of, it's really glowy and elegant looking, and it has a touch of pink, so it doesn't distract from her gear. So she's wearing kind of a red lal par shari, and she's wearing a choker. Mine is a little too big, but she's wearing choker and a long rani har and a goti blouse. So this is all I had, so I had to pull it up. And yeah, so I love that about the look, that it's very attainable. So I'm gonna try to kind of mimic it to see how my version would be. So first off, I'm gonna start out with oil. I'm using 4th Ray vitamin C elixir. So this is a company with ColourPop, and I actually really love it. It's you have to blend the oils, and it gives you the most beautiful glow, and we're going for a really glowy kind of makeup look, so we're gonna really lather up in that oil. And this is just a fresh face of mine. I didn't put any lotion, anything on it, because I really wanted to start from scratch and see how it looks all together. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start my base. So here I'm going to start out with foundation, and I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills 3032C. So I'm just going to put this all over my face for now, and then I'm going to build up slowly to kind of get that layered look. Beauty blender. So the oil really helps because it kind of stabilizes everything and really, helps everything kind of set in. I'm not going to use a lot of foundation because I'm just going to focus on my under eye. Drag it up down your neck a little just for that evenness. Okay. Now time for concealer. Be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in, I believe, Pure Beige. So I'm going to lather this up because it's all about the dimension under the eye, making sure that's all bright. It looks like I'm hurting myself, but I'm not really hurting myself. Feel my under eye. I kind of use the really, as you can see, really oval techniques. Kind of have some on my nose. I just put some around my mouth area because I have some discoloration there. Near my nose. Anywhere that I think I have to brighten up just a tad bit. Blendy blend all that in. I love Badshah. I tried to I did make a TikTok and I tried to kind of have him post it, but didn't happen. Hey, a girl can dream, right? So, see the glow? Like, the glow is there. Okay, so now I'm going to powder my face just a tad bit, just under the eye a little bit, because I don't want the glow to go away. Kat Von D translucent powder. So just a tad bit, just to kind of set it in. But don't worry, we're gonna glow it up more. And so the glow doesn't go away. And I feel like doing this off of a whim is like the best thing, because you kind of like have your own touches to it. Like, you see the picture, you see how she is, but you can always put your own spin on it. Okay, well, I'm going to try to recreate it by using the Anastasia Soft Glam palette, and I'm going to be using Rose Pink, the color Rose Pink, to put like on my outer lid. Yep, that's it. It may look darker on the screen, but I'm going to be blending it out more when I get to the finished portion, because I'm going to be adding a few other colors just to kind of mute it down, because hers is very like gentle and soft. So I'm just going to take a brush and kind of mute it. There you go. I'm getting that color. Just blend, blend, blend. Be using a highlighter in like just the inner corner of my eye, just so that I can have that glow, because she does have that glow in the inner of her eye. So I'm going to be using the Tarteist palette, and I'm going to just take a little bit of the color Lit, and I'm just going to put it in my inner corner. The blend of the highlighter, it just makes everything more glowy under my eye, because she has a little bit of that under her eyelid, like on her waterline. She only has eyeliner on her top lid, and I'm gonna be putting my own spin to it. I'm going to kind of do a cat eye, just to have that, because for my almond shape eye, the cat eye looks good. So I'm just going to have that, and you know, I'm using Kat Von D tattoo liner. There's really no super technique, but I'm gonna kind of make it more thicker at the edge. There you go. You see that? So there you go. There's my cat eye. It's super simple, and the Voluminous Lash Paradise by L'Oreal. It really volumizes it and really gives you that falsy look. As you can see, look at that. To fan it out, I'm going to be using the Great Lash by Maybelline. This is like essential to like every makeup artist and guru. Like, I've seen so many videos and they all use this like here and there, so I always have it because I love it so much. You see that? Oh my god. So for my lip color, she has a very pale nude pink. I'm going to be using Tulle from ColourPop, because for my skin tone, this is the color that looks really nice on me. I don't really do nudes and nudish pinkish ones, because I usually do very like bold red or deep red colors. Because there you go. Got my lip. Really have like a super defined blush, so I'm just going to be using my Morphe palette, and I'm just going to use this middle color, which is like a mauvey pink, but it won't be like in your face. So I'm just going to dust that lightly just to have that, because the color is so light that having this really if you pick up a light brush, it won't really show. Okay, I think that is good. It's like rosy enough and doesn't overpower the eyeshadow. Look at that. So pretty. Now, my favorite part, my highlighter. So, what I'm going to do is I use a blending brush, yes, because I learned a trick on how to kind of get that pop of highlight. So what I'm going to be doing first is I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Lumi Glow Armor in the color 508 and kind of like use that as a base for the highlight so it sticks on all day. I'm just going to use my ring finger, kind of like have it there and kind of just fit it there where I want to put the highlight so I can have that really glowy look. So now, and that's like the biggest trick I've seen. So now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to the color Lit and dabbing my blending brush into it and going in circular motions. You see how more blended the color looks. When you just swipe, it kind of like just creates a line, but when you blend it in, like you can go small first and go a little larger as you cover that. Look at the difference in like just light and just a streak. It looks good. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be dragging the highlight Lit. Lit is my favorite color in this whole highlighting kit, and I'm going to be even putting it on my forehead to have that extra glow. I always like popping extra on the tip of my nose, kind of brings out my nose, you know. Okay guys, so I finished it off with a lal red bindi. I hope it's straight. I hope it's straight. I went a little British. Yes, it is straight. Okay. So yeah, guys, this is my look. Jacqueline Fernandez inspired. I feel so Bengali right now, like super Bengali. And I love it. I love my culture. I love my heritage. I love where I come from. So yeah, so what I did was so this choker, so you see like the makeup look is super simple, super glowy, super pretty, and then the red bindi just brightens everything up. I got this from Bangladesh, well my mom got it, and this Rani hair from Bangladesh, and yeah, the sari is my mom's. The sari is my mom's, and then this is mine, and then the trees are mine. So yeah, I'm really excited. Like I feel like I want to go to like a Mela, which Mela is like a Bengali festival. I think it's just so cute. But yeah, she kind of like has her hair like this sometimes, and then she kind of has it in this way too. And this is my natural hair. I just washed it and put it up in a towel to kind of like keep the curl, like the loose waves in. But yeah, this is how it is naturally. So I was like pretty impressed because I'm like, okay, I don't have to do anything to. But I think how you can achieve this hair look is by, you know, kind of like spritzing it with water and kind of scrunching it up and kind of keeping it in like a loose cloth or something, like a towel or different kind of shirt, a t-shirt, a white t-shirt or something like that. But yeah, so this is it. I'm just gonna do like a fake pose. I hope you guys like my video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys recreate it. If you recreate it, please tag me on Instagram, Nikita _. I'll have a link below. Please subscribe, share, comment, stay safe. I hope everything in the world kind of resolves soon, but hope you guys enjoy my video and try it. You know, it's super cute. You don't have to be Bengali, but it's so cute.